I'm going to show you a version of my Deco mesh tubing heart chain. This is the original one I did, so I want to start with this one. You need some Deco mesh tubing, which you can buy at just about any craft store, and check dollar stores during seasonal times too. You can find it there. I'll show you what that looks like. And then you need some pipe cleaners or Chanel stems, whatever you call them. Or you can use tinsel wire. It's a little bit thicker, but it'll still work. And use any color combination that you want. You will get a completely different look depending on what colors you use. Now you just stick that into the Deco mesh tubing, and I want to leave some space. I'm going to cut it at the end and then twist that up so there's a little bit of room on each side. I've already started the chain, so I just want to put that through one of them, and then I'm going to overlap it and make sure you're overlapping the mesh so the mesh stays in place and doesn't ride up. I'm just going to give that a twist and then wrap it around because you don't want it poking anybody. And then I'm just going to make a heart shape. Push that tight. Here you can see my chain forming. Now you notice at the ends you can see that, and you can leave it like this. It's not a big deal. But if you want to cover that up, there's several different ways you can do that. I have some little organza bows I made. So there's wire sticking at the end of those. And you can put any kind of bow you want. So I'm just going to put that like that and twist it. And then cover up the wire so it's not showing. Sometimes I have to reform my hearts a little bit. But that's what it looks like with a bow on the end. And then you can put a bow on every one of your little hearts if you want. Another one. Just place them there so you can see what they look like. See, that's very cute. We can take that off. Now another idea is to take some Christmas tinsel. I've got silver. I just cut off a little chunk here. It's probably about 2 inches. Could probably do less than that. And I'm just going to wrap it around. So I'm covering that up. And then I'm going to take plain floral wire here, which is that right there. And I'm going to wrap that around a couple of times. And then I'm going to twist it off. Push them down so you can't feel it. And that's the look you get from that. Now you can also take bling. I've got these little floral shaped ones. And you can hot glue one on the end, and you could do both sides like so. So it would look like that at the end. So any of those and any ideas that you can come up with for covering that up, I'd love to see and hear from you. Thank you. Bye.